Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Malia.
My name is Siti Uswatun Hasanah. Kami akan mempraktikkan conversation yang mencakup materi dari pertemuan 1 sampai 7.
Hello, good morning. My name is Nurse Aulia and now I will be a nurse today. Is your name is Uswa?
Good morning, nurse. Yes, I am Uswa.
Can I see your name in your identity bracelet?
Of course.
Can you tell me date of birth?
My date of birth is 24-year-old 2003.
Okay, it's true. How are you feeling today, Miss Uswa?
Nurse Aulia, I have been feeling tired and have this persistent cough. The doctor mentioned is tuberculosis. I'm quite scared about that.
I understand, Miss Uswa. It's natural to feel anxious. Tuberculosis can sound frightening, but let's take things one step at a time. We are here to support you every step of the way. You are in good hands, trust me.
Thank you, nurse.
Are you have anything problem now?
Yes, I feel a little weak and I still have a cold that won't go away.
I see. How long have you had this cold?
It has been over 2 weeks now and I had a fever last week.
Thank you for sharing that. As part of your care plan, we are monitoring your symptoms closely. Since tuberculosis requires long-term treatment, it's essential that we ensure you are comfortable and adhering to the treatment.
Do I have to wear a mask every time when I talk to other people?
Absolutely, Miss Uswa. Another important part of your care is respiratory isolation to prevent the spread of tuberculosis bacteria. I will need you to wear a mask when interacting with others, and we will keep the room well ventilated.
Okay, I understand, nurse. Then what about the medicine I have to take? I heard the treatment will take a long time. Is that true?
Yes, that's right. Treating tuberculosis usually requires a 6-month course of antibiotics.
It's so a long time. When can I take medicine for the first time?
This afternoon at 2 o'clock, I will come back again to bring your first medicine. Don't forget to make sure you have had lunch.
Okay, nurse.
Okay, I will go back to the nurse station. If need any help or something, you can press the nurse call behind you.
Okay, nurse. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, Miss Uswa. Now we will be starting your first dose of tuberculosis medication. How are you feeling about beginning the treatment?
Good afternoon, Nurse Aulia. I'm a bit nervous. To be honest, I have heard that the medication can have side effects.
That's understandable, Miss Uswa. Tuberculosis treatment can be a bit challenging, but we will take things step by step. I will be here to monitor you and help manage any side effect that come up.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
That's good. Come on now, let's take the medicine, hold this antibiotic, and let me to help you holding your water.
Thank you, nurse.
Nice. How are you feeling now? Do you feel uncomfortable?
No, I'm okay, nurse.
That's good.
How often I will need to take this medication?
You will be taking them every day at the same time to make sure the medicine is effective. Consistency is key with tuberculosis treatment.
Can I stop the medication if I start feeling better?
I understand your concern, Miss Uswa, but it's very important to complete the full course. Stopping early can cause the bacteria to become resistant, which would make the treatment even longer and harder.
I understand, Nurse Aulia. So, what I feel tired again, nurse?
To help the fatigue, I recommend you get plenty of rest and include nutrient-rich foods in your diet like fruits, vegetables, and proteins.
Okay, nurse. Thank you again.
You're welcome, Miss Uswa. I will go back to the nurse station. If you need something or when you feel uncomfortable, you can press the nurse call behind you.
Thank you so much, nurse.
Good morning, Dr. Dina. I'm Nurse Aulia in the Rose Hospital. I would like to discuss Miss Uswa, the patient in room 23, who was recently diagnosed with tuberculosis. May I provide an update?
Good morning, Nurse Aulia. Yes, please go ahead.
Miss Uswa is a 21-year-old patient who was admitted 3 days ago with persistent cold, fatigue, and weight loss. She tested positive for tuberculosis, and today she is scheduled to begin her 6-month course of antibiotics. She has no prior history of tuberculosis, but she mentioned recent contact with a family member who was diagnosed. Miss Uswa has also been experiencing nausea, making it difficult for her to eat and her appetite is very low. Miss Uswa's vital signs are stable and her chest X-ray show a moderate level of pulmonary involvement. She is feeling anxious about the treatment duration and has asked questions about potential side effects. I have noticed she is struggling with adherence to even simple daily routine due to her fatigue and nausea.
Thank you for the update. Given her cancer, we shall address the nausea first to help her start the antibiotic more comfortably.
I agree. I would recommend starting her on a light antiemetic before meals to manage the nausea. Additionally, I suggest providing smaller, more frequent meals to make eating easier for her. Perhaps we could also schedule daily check-ins to monitor her response to the medication and address any side effect early.
Good idea. Let's implement the antibiotic and meal adjustment as you suggested. I will review her progress at our round and we will continue assessing her compliance with the treatment. Please also provide her with some education material on tuberculosis. Susie informed about the importance of completing her course.
Understood, Dr. Gina. I will make sure she has the information and will start her on the antiemetic today. I will keep you updated on her response.
Okay, Nurse Aulia, thank you.
Thank you to Dr. Gina.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.